Hi everyone, welcome back to Only the Andersons. We have a quick review for you. It's an Apple Watch band replacement that I purchased off of Amazon. It's one of those sports bands. So we'll get right on into the review. But we want to let you know
this is how we do it.
I have the band, so let's do it. I ordered this from Amazon. It's the SKYLET athletic band. As you guys know, your watch band can get all sweaty. I love my Apple Watch. I just don't want to pay $50 for a sports band. So I was searching for a band on Amazon and I found this one for about, I think it was about $9. I'll post a link in the description box if you're interested in getting yourself one. So let's open it up. And it has a little brush in there. Now here's the band. And it is sturdy silicone. I'm a pink kind of girl, so I ordered the pink and black one. Feels pretty much like that one. It's a little thinner. Alright, so first you're going to remove your bands from your watch, and it's easy. You just push these buttons right there, slide it off, slide it off, press the button again, slide it into place, and you can kind of feel it when it goes into place. And then you slide this one on, and that's it. Let's try it on. Beautiful. I like it. Pretty and pink. I want to show you this little neat brush because this is an athletic band, so you're going to be getting sweaty, and these little holes, I can see these little holes getting dirty, and you just insert like that. Just use something safe for silicone, probably some warm soapy water. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed our review on the replacement band. It'll save you a lot of money, and you can look below and you can order yourself one. They have all different colors. And if you like what you're watching, give us a thumbs up. We appreciate it. You can comment below. We'll hit you back. And as always, I don't have the munchkins down here, so I have to do it myself. Hit that notification bell.